Hey there, Mike. Kimberly here with Elite Roots Digital. I reached out and spoke with you on Friday and promised this short video giving you a few tips on how to increase your online traffic. Now, at the end of this video, if you would like any further help with getting more leads, then give me a call. If not, no harm, no foul. Take these tips and use them for yourself. Now, the first thing I'd like to go over is going to be your website. And, I really like the layout of your website. It has a really nice, clean look to it. Now, there are a couple of things that I'd like to point out that could be improved. First thing is actually having your phone number. The only place for your phone number you've got is down here. Now, I'd love to see that phone number just up here in this top header, just nice and big, and make it so that someone can just click on it and it automatically calls. That's really going to increase the traffic of phone calls directly to you from your website. So quick conversion rate. Another thing that can create those nice quick conversions, I know you have your phone number and your free quote button here. Now, instead of just having this free quote button, have just a little form right here that someone fills out. I know I saw you have a form down here at the bottom. Just make this smaller and put it up here. That's really going to help you as well get that quick conversion, so people don't have to scroll all the way down to the bottom of your website in order to get to that form. And the other thing I do want to talk to you about is going to be overall on your page is content. Now, content is going to be all of the words, images, and other content on your page. How those pictures are saved is definitely something to consider as well. Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your page, and these images really should be saved as, let's see what you've got them saved as first. Alright, yep. Oftentimes I do see this where it's just saved as a number. You'd really benefit by saving these as a keyword, as well as having more keywords within the text of your website here. So, like pressure washing company right here, that is a keyword. That's a national keyword, so it's not going to help you a whole lot in the Chicago area until you get ranked really high or have a really strong website. Then it might help a little bit, but until then, it's not going to do you a whole lot of good. A better keyword would just have pressure washing company Chicago instead of this around separating the two. That's actually, just take this out, pressure washing company Chicago, you got a great keyword. So as I kind of scroll through, I love, as I said at the beginning, the layout of your website here. It's very pleasing, it's very clean. We kind of take a quick peek over here at your top competitor, which is powercleaninc.com. We can see here they've got a decent website as well. They do have more words on their page as far as content goes, but not as many photos. And if we kind of take a peek, how do they have those photos saved? Again, just kind of a generic. So they're going to be really easy to actually beat as far as trying to get yourself to rank up over these guys and steal all their leads and get them coming to you instead. If we jump over to the keywords that Power Clean Inc. is actually ranking for, now keywords are terms that people are putting into a Google search, and this volume relates to how many times that keyword is typed into that Google search in a month. So right now for pressure washing Chicago, they're in position number 3, and they're getting 18 clicks per month to their website for just that keyword. And that keyword has a volume of 200. Now, and if they were in position 1, they'd be getting almost a third of that traffic, rather than in position 3. So they'd be getting 75, a little less than that, clicks per month to their website if they were in top number 1 position instead of this number 3 position. And if we kind of jump over, I typed in a good few different keywords to kind of look and see what kind of volume is available out there for you. So if we look and see, we've got pressure washing Chicago, it's got a volume of 200, power washing Chicago, 150. You can see there's quite a few different keywords that are available out there, even deck cleaning, volume of 60. Different keywords that you could put on your website, even saved in those photos. put them in the headings, put them in the content, find ways to squeeze all of these keywords in, and that's really going to help boost you up into the top of that Google search, whether it be for one particular keyword or just relevancy. Google likes to see that you have relevant content, even if it's not necessarily this particular keyword, but having all of these others. Google would say, oh, okay, they've got relevant content to this. We're going to rank them at least a little bit higher. Alright, so the next thing I want to talk about is going to be your Google My Business profile, which is this section here. Now, this is just a standard Google search for pressure washing Chicago. First area you're going to see here is your Google Ads. These are people that are paying per click to be at the top of the page. Great thing to do, can get you really fast leads, but as I said, it is pay per click, and some people do just skip right over this area. The next area is what I want to talk about next, which is your Google My Business area. This is where your page would be listed. And I was not finding, let's see if I can find a listing for your business in particular. Softwash in Chicago. Nope, I am not really finding a Google My Business profile for your page. So that'd definitely be something you'd want to try and get situated for yourself. And when it comes to creating one of these Google My Business pages, you want to really focus on making sure that the information on this page, let's go ahead and click into these guys and see what they've got. So you want to make sure that all of the information here is consistent across all platforms, whether it be social media, your website, if you're on Angie's List or Home Advisor, that kind of platform. You want the consistency in information. Google will see that and really likes to see that, even including your phone number. Once you get this this listing up, really push for those Google reviews. That's going to help push you to the top of those top 3. And when you're saving photos, make sure those photos, even in this Google My Business listing, are being saved as keywords. That's really going to help you out as well. This top section, these top 3, and this is an ad, so the top 3 are always what's shown here. And those top 3 actually take about 40% of the volume that I was showing you earlier on a keyword. So it's really taken quite a few clicks. This very top spot, which Yelp has at the moment, actually takes about 30% of the search volume. So 70% is just in the top 3 Google My Business pages and this top organic page. The remaining 30% is kind of distributed throughout the ads and all of the rest of this down here. Alright, so let's take a quick peek at the strength of your website here. Looks like you've got 38 referring domains, giving you 95 backlinks. That's not too bad. Let's take a peek at what, oh, that was actually your competition. Sorry about that. PowerClean Inc. has got 38 referring domains and 95 backlinks. You have 1 referring domain giving you 1 backlink. So definitely an area that you'd also want to try and improve. Now, what is a backlink? A backlink is going to be a link from one website back to your website from different sites all across the web. Now, the stronger backlinks are going to be from places that are relevant to pressure washing or relevant to Chicago. Preferably relevant to both pressure washing and Chicago are going to be really strong websites to get backlinks from. Now, and weaker backlinks are going to be those like directories out there. They're still going to give you a little bit, but definitely not near as much. And the more directories you're in, the higher this Google My Business listing will bump as well. Alright, so that is all I have for you right now. I really hope that you found this information helpful, and if you'd like any additional help with what I went over, please feel free to reach out. Again, my name is Kimberly with Elite Roots Digital, and the rest of my information will be in the email that I sent this out with. You have a wonderful rest of your day, and thank you for watching.